in the recent past, we have seen that Chinese intrusion along the line of actual control and especially in Ladakh area have increased. And this can also be correlated with a number of actions of Chinese elsewhere in the world like South China Sea. There also their aggressive actions have increased. Now if you see the basics between India and China, the independent India and China have not signed a border treaty. So therefore, the treaty which was signed was between British India and Tibet, and China does not recognize that. With the result, we have got line of actual control, and as per our current agreements, we have own perception of line of actual control, and both sides are free to patrol up to the own perception of LAC. Now, in some areas, the perceptions are overlapping. So, whenever we patrol that area, as far as Chinese are concerned, it is an intrusion. And when they patrol that area, as far as we are concerned, it's an intrusion. And that's how it is counted. Now, in recent cases like Galwan Nala and some other areas, Chinese have already built their road as per their perception, and in most cases up to actual line of actual control. Whereas we are building up roads, somewhere we have built up, somewhere we are now building up, and Chinese are objecting to that, and that is why one of the reasons why they are becoming proactive on the line of actual control. The second reason is Chinese hierarchy is under a little bit of pressure after COVID-19. You would have seen that in last 2 days or 2-3 days, they are having their NPC meeting, which is supposed to be the biggest parliament session in Chinese terms. Now, the Chinese hierarchy wants to project that they are still under control and there is a domestic dissent because of COVID. And to divert that dissent, the best arrangement is that divert the entire attention to the nationalism. And the nationalism comes from by saying that, okay, we have problems in LAC and we have problems in South China Sea. And then the whole country unites, and then the Communist Party of China has got a role to play and they can gather support. So this is also a background which we must understand. As far as these intrusions are concerned, whenever there is a meeting, they count all our patrols as their intrusions, and we count all their patrols as intrusions. So it is both ways. And in the meetings, both are counted. As far as the visit of Chief of Army Staff to these areas are concerned, it is very much in order. He must visit, and he is visiting, because a look on ground is better than 1,000 reports. So once he goes there, obviously the morale of the forces also increases and he also gets a right picture. And that's why I think that is the context on which the chief is there and he is being briefed. So I think this is something which is going to stay. And the only answer is that we have to delineate the border, delimit it, and then demarcate it. Unless the border is not demarcated, unless the LAC is not demarcated, this confusion will remain. And these kinds of reports of intrusion as well as standoffs, they will continue to happen so long the LAC is not demarcated. Thank you.